the Nigerian army has finally spoken. They admit Justice Chidebere was in their custody for subversion. All right, here's the real question. Did they follow the law? Let's remove emotions for a second and talk facts. So according to their own statement, Chidebere was picked up by the army, held while they investigated, then later handed over to civilian, or let's say to civil authorities. Sounds structured, right? Okay. Here is where the problem starts. Nigeria is governed by the 1999 Constitution, and under Section 35, the right to personal liberty was provided for, and it says no person shall be deprived of his personal liberty except in accordance with a procedure permitted by law. That means arrests must follow legal procedure. Detention must be justified. The individual must be brought before a court within a reasonable time, not kept quietly for days while investigation is ongoing. Now, let's go further. The Nigerian army derives its power from Section 17 of the Constitution, which defines its role as defending Nigeria, maintaining territorial integrity, supporting civil authorities, not acting as a primary arresting body for civilians. All right. So the real issue is not whether they are investigating subversion. The issue is, why was a civilian first held in military custody for days before being handed over? Because that raises two serious concerns. Number one, due process concerns. Was he promptly charged or informed in accordance with the law? Number two, jurisdictional overreach. Did the military act beyond its proper role before involving civil authorities? So the army claims that Chidebere was engaging soldiers, possibly inciting discontent, discussing welfare issues. Okay, but let's be honest. You know that talking about poor feeding, welfare of frontline soldiers, conditions within the system does not automatically equal subversion. It can also mean exposing internal problems. And now, we hear the soldier who provided information has been dismissed. Now what? So again, we ask, are we correcting issues or silencing those who speak about them? To the Nigerian army, if your actions are lawful, they must also be seen to be lawful. Transparency is not weakness, it is legitimacy. And to the Nigerian government, this is where leadership matters. You know why? Because democracy is not just about